Okay, class, now we're to semen, a mixture of sperm and accessory gland secretions. Generally, ejaculation is about 3 to 5 milliliters of semen. The semen contains fructose. It contains the sperm itself. It contains prostaglandins. It contains other substances also within the aspect. So it contains the ATP, which mobilizes the sperm. It contains factors that suppress the immune system, particularly in the female vagina. Antibiotic chemicals. It contains coagulating factors. This coagulation, which when it goes into the female fibrinolysis, decreases the clotting, allowing the sperm to flow free. But the reason that you place the clotting sperm into the clotting semen, shall I say, into the female vagina, so it'll stick against the vaginal sidewall and not come out that easily. And then the fibrinolysin dissolves that, which then mobilizes the sperm in the vagina. The prostaglandins assist in causing the uterus to contract reversibly to take up the sperm into the body of the uterus and up, hopefully up the fallopian tubes. And then it also decreases the mucus in the cervix, the mucus that would be present there. So that's what you have within the semen. And again, like I said, that you generally will produce the secretion will generally be about 3 to 5 milliliters. And the semen itself is more of a basic secretion with a pH of about 7.2 to 8. The semen itself, 70% recall, is coming from the seminal vesicles, and about another 30% or less coming from the prostate gland. All right, so let's recap everything there just very quickly as far as the sperm production aspect there. So the sperm itself is produced in the seminiferous tubules. From the seminiferous tubules, it will then travel from the seminiferous tubules into the straight tubule, then into the reedy testes. This is what's produced here. This is the sperm, immobile. Then efferent ductules, which are present in the epididymis. Then into the epididymis, which can be up to 20 feet if I straighten all of this out. In the epididymis, you remove some of the fluid and you add some nutrients, and in there they will get mobilized. It's about 20 days in this epididymis. The epididymis again is where the sperm is stored. So then this is just the sperm aspect. So then from here you'll go initially going into the head of the epididymis, then the body, then the tail. Then if intercourse and ejaculation occurs, it will leave the epididymis where it's stored, go into the vas deferens, also called the ductus deferens. Will then travel up the ductus deferens, as you can see here, into the spermatic cord. Okay. Then when that occurs again, so now that's the sperm. Then we come from there, come here, and then it would travel up here. Then I have the seminal vesicle here. Seminal vesicle produces the fructose. Again, produces 70%. The fructose, the citrate, the coagulating factor, the prostaglandins, various things like that. And then the seminal vesicle will then discharge. Here's the vas deferens. So the vas deferens, ductus deferens, combines with the duct from the efferent duct coming off of the seminal vesicle, which gives the ejaculatory duct. Okay, so coming from here would have just been the sperm primarily. Coming from here would be that which adds to make the semen, about 70%. Then coming into these two would be the ejaculatory duct, which is entering in right there into the prostatic urethra, which is adding about another 30%. The prostatic urethra, remember, also will add various things. You'll add citrate, you'll add prostate-specific antigen, you'll add an acidic secretion. Then from the prostatic urethra, what will happen, you'll then go through the, down inferior to that, the bulbourethral glands, also known in eponym as the Cowper's glands, will secrete. They have more of a viscous secretion there. That's more kind of alkaline, but more viscous. And what it primarily does is to lubricate the penis and also assist in nullifying some of the acidity in the female vagina. And then both of these will come down through the urethra, which is located in the corpora spongiosum, and then that takes you out through the urethral orifice. So that gives an idea, again, and a recap very quickly of the male reproductive and the formation of semen. So we'll close here on the anatomy portion and then pick up on the physiology portion.